Hi, this is Mark Wheeler for TacticalNotebookCovers.com. What we have here is a detachable mini alcohol spray bottle. What we've done is we've made a little elasticized loop that has a spray bottle that just snugly fits right into it. It comes in coyote brown and black. The Velcro's on the back, so it makes it virtually, you can stick it on a lot of different areas of our covers. What we've done is made it so that you can just pull it out and pop the cover, and I will put it on one of our covers just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So let's say, for example, you could pop it right there. Sticks really well. This is one of our Lexan envelopes. You can just take the bottle and spray it a couple of times, and we've used a permanent marker on here. We've used material that does not allow the permanent marker to penetrate into the material. This is Lexan. So it allows you to really take that marker off 100%. So that could literally be sitting in the sun for quite a while, and the ink will not penetrate into the Lexan. So having a little bit of alcohol on hand makes it just awesome because it gives you a bit of functionality to be able to clean your checklists off. And thanks for watching.